Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and acting now. Plug the Xbox HDMI OUT into the capture card HDMI in, then connect the capture card USB to your PC. Install any manufacturer drivers so the card is recognized, because drivers enable low-latency transfer and hardware encoding. Once done, set the Xbox to 1080p, 60Hz to match common capture presets. Disable HDR if the card or software can't handle it. Make sure the console is logged in and not in energy saver mode so signals are stable. Next, open your capture software and add the capture card as a video capture device, because the app needs that input to receive frames. Select 1080p and 60 FPS to match the Xbox, and pick the correct color space to avoid washed colors. Choose hardware encoding, NVENC or AMD, when available to offload CPU and reduce dropped frames. Choose software encoding only if you need specific filters. Once configured, enable audio tracks and map game audio separately from chat so you can balance levels. Finally, run a short test recording to confirm image quality, audio sync, and that overlays are positioned correctly. Testing prevents embarrassing live mistakes. If streaming, set bitrate and keyframe interval per platform and save a scene profile with hotkeys so you can recover quickly. Once satisfied, record or go live. If you see dropped frames or no signal, try the troubleshooting step. Update the capture card firmware, switch to a different USB 3.0 port, and restart both PC and console to clear handshake problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.